Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for all the pet lovers out there. We recently discovered a fantastic pet carrier bag that promises to make travel with your furry friends a breeze. You'll find the link to this product in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what makes this soft-sided pet carrier bag a must-have for both cat and dog owners. Measuring 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters, this versatile carrier is designed for pets weighing up to 26 pounds. It's perfect for medium-sized cats, small dogs, and puppies, making it an ideal choice for pet parents looking to take their companions on adventures. One of the standout features of this carrier is its breathable and privacy design. With three sides constructed from breathable mesh panels, it not only ensures optimal air circulation to keep your pet comfortable but also allows them to observe their surroundings, helping to alleviate anxiety during car rides or vet visits. The dual side entrances and a top opening make it easy for your pet to enter, exit, and stretch their heads out comfortably. Durability and safety are key components of this carrier's construction. Made from high-quality, non-irritating Oxford fabric and mesh, it offers excellent wear resistance and is scratch-proof. The microfiber frame effectively prevents sagging, while premium metal buckles provide strong load-bearing capacity. Plus, there's a built-in safety tether to clip to your pet's collar, ensuring they stay secure and safe at all times. Cleanliness is also a priority with this carrier. It features a removable and machine-washable cushioned mat, making it easy to remove pet hair, dirt, and odors. The versatile pad can be used in two positions, vertically for vet visits or car rides to keep your pet stable, and horizontally for home relaxation or fitting into tight spaces like car footwells. When it comes to convenience, this carrier truly shines. It assembles in just 60 seconds and folds flat for compact storage when not in use. The telescoping pull handle and detachable, adjustable shoulder strap offer multiple carrying options, whether you prefer hand carrying, shoulder carrying, or attaching it to your luggage. Plus, side storage pockets keep waste bags, treats, and other essentials easily accessible.